Imagine you have a secret stash of cash, hidden away, untouched, growing steadily over time. What if I told you there's a way to do this without actually having to hide anything? A way to build wealth, slowly but surely, with minimal effort. Intrigued? Let's talk about Stash. Stash isn't just a simple piggy bank. It's a financial app designed to make investing accessible and easy. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Stash offers a platform to build your wealth. But the question on everyone's mind is, how much does it cost to use Stash? Let's dive into the details. Stash membership plans. Stash offers a few different membership plans to cater to various needs and budgets. Let's break them down. Stash Starter. This is the most basic plan, offering access to fractional shares, automated investing, and educational resources. The starter plan comes with a monthly fee of, insert monthly fee. Stash Growth. This plan builds upon the starter plan, adding features like portfolio management tools, tax loss harvesting, and access to financial advisors. The growth plan comes with a monthly fee of, insert monthly fee. Stash Unlimited. This is the premium plan, offering unlimited access to all Stash features, including unlimited portfolio management, unlimited financial advisor consultations, and exclusive perks. The unlimited plan comes with a monthly fee of, insert monthly fee. Additional fees. While the monthly membership fees are the primary costs associated with Stash, there are a few other fees to be aware of. Transaction fees. Stash charges a small transaction fee for buying and selling securities. This fee is typically a percentage of the transaction amount. Account maintenance fee. If your account balance falls below a certain threshold, Stash may charge a monthly maintenance fee. Is Stash worth the cost? The cost of using Stash depends on your individual needs and goals. If you're just starting out and looking for a simple way to invest, the starter plan might be sufficient. For more advanced investors seeking personalized guidance, the growth or unlimited plans might be better options. Ultimately, the value of Stash lies in its ability to make investing accessible and affordable. If you're looking to build wealth over the long term, the cost of using Stash might be a worthwhile investment. So, how much does Stash monthly cost? The answer depends on the membership plan you choose. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, Stash offers a range of options to suit your needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.